Let's go ahead and manage the paging module. From here, you will be able to add, delete, and edit users and rooms. To add a user for paging, simply click on the plus sign at the bottom left-hand corner of the Persons section. From here, you will be prompted to enter the new user's name, select their font color, then select the background color that will be displayed when this user is being paged. You can also choose the sound that plays when the page first becomes active for this person. Just click on the sound button, select the desired chime, then click Submit. To edit a user, simply click on the pencil-shaped icon under their name. Once the changes have been made, simply click Submit. To delete a user, simply click on the trash can icon under their name. To arrange the order of the names, click on the arrow buttons under the name to move the person to the desired position on the list. Once they're at the desired position, just click Save Order. The Rooms section can also be managed with the same function buttons as the Persons section. To add a room, just click on the plus sign, enter the room name, then click Submit. To edit a room, simply click on the pencil-shaped icon to make changes. Once the changes have been made, just click Submit. To reposition a room on the list, simply click the up or down arrow buttons to move the room. Once the room is at the desired position, click Save Order.